obviously going to be able to see the flames right out your window. If you need a little bit more time to evacuate, now is the time to do it, because again, there are structures threatened here in the area right off of Malibu Canyon Road. Colleen? Incredibly hot. You can see that there are power lines here through the area. Again, at this point, we don't know how the fire started, if it originated off of Malibu Canyon Road or deeper into the hillside. That will, of course, all be under investigation. Arson investigators come out. It's just protocol. So they're already trying to figure. That's the west side of Malibu Canyon Road. It did, in fact, send those embers flying across the road, and now we do have flame in the next hill over. Now, this is the side of Malibu Canyon Road where Pepperdine is just to the south. So you can understand why the nervousness in my voice now, because on fire in the Sarah Retreat community. So, of course, firefighters want to protect those properties as well, want to protect life and property. We hope, pray that everybody got out. But this is a combination of possibly every worst thing that could have happened.